products are recycled. All of our spiral wrap is made from recycled HDPE. Our nylon spiral wrap is also made from recycled nylon. We recycle all of our PVC waste in-house, reuse all of it within our products. We have our new irrigation hose, EcoFlex, which is manufactured from a 100% in-house recycled PVC. All of these products have a much lesser impact on the environment.
Been working with obviously TPVs recently, which are a big advantage to us. Works very, very similar to rubber. It's got the same properties, but it's cheaper. And TPV is a recyclable product. We currently recycle 95% of all our own scrap. And one of the products in particular, spiral wrap, is 100% recycled, using our own scrap material.